All right. Hello, everybody. This is Brett Person,
And Feth Sink.
and we're two members of the honors staff, and we wanted to record this quick video tutorial on how to register for your next semester classes. We realize some of you might be doing this for the first time, so hopefully this will be useful. Of course, if after watching it you have any questions about anything that we say or any other steps that are still unclear, please email an honors advisor and we'll be happy to help you out. So one thing real quick that you'll hear us talk about throughout this short video is a CRN. A CRN is a course registration number, and it's different than the course numbers for your courses, okay? A course number is that number, that 4-digit number that you associate with courses often. So for instance, Honors Analytical Reading and Writing is English 0902. Mosaic 1 is IH 0951. The CRN, however, is unique to the section of the course that you want to sign up for. So it's unique to a specific section that meets at a specific day and time, and it's different than the course number. So just keep that in mind.
Okay, so before you actually register, we want you to plan out your schedule. You can do all of this ahead of time, so you should. Getting those CRNs will be the key to your success. A few things that might be helpful are the Honors Course Guide, the Temple Bulletin, and Self-Service Banner. So first up, we want you to check the Honors Course Guide. This is not a listing of every honors course, but it has very many of them, and it has specific descriptions and bios of the professors who will be teaching those courses. You can find it on our website. If you go under Academics on the top menu and click Course Guide, you'll find the most recent course guide there.
Okay, and if you want a little bit of help understanding what the next set of courses that you should be considering signing up for in your declared major, the Temple Bulletin is the best resource for that. It's just bulletin.temple.edu. You can click on undergraduate and then find your school or college and then click on your major. And like I said, you can find your set of major requirements as well as the suggested order you should take them in the academic plan.
And when you're actually ready to look for your classes and find the dates and times, you can log on into your portal and then click on Self-Service Banner on the left. From there, you'll click on Student, followed by Registration, and that's where you'll see Look Up Classes. You also see Add or Drop Classes there. We'll get back to that later. So when you're looking up classes, you're going to get this screen that says Search. This is kind of the general search. We prefer to use the Advanced Search if you know the course that you're looking for. You can click on Advanced Search right there. For the purposes of this demonstration, we're looking for, let's say, an Honors Gen Ed. You can highlight every subject in the top box by just clicking in there, then hitting Control-A. That selects everything. If you want to look for an Honors Gen Ed, you can put the 09 in the course number. That assures that you're getting an Honors option. And then below, all the way at the bottom, you'll see highlighted Gen Ed Arts. That's a course attribute, so if you're looking for a specific Gen Ed, you can click that, and you'll get results returned based on those things you highlighted.
If, however, you already know the course number, so back to our earlier example of English 0902, or in this case, IH 0951, it's a little bit more straightforward. You can just, in the subject area, highlight the department. In this case, it's Intellectual Heritage. That's where the Mosaic courses are. And then in the course number, you can type in the full course number, 0951, and then press Section Search. And this is what you'll get. So this is a listing of all of the sections of that course that are offered in the upcoming semester. A few things to see on this page. Obviously, you can see the day and the time. That is vital when you are planning out your schedule in advance. You need to know the days and times of the sections you're signing up for to ensure that you're avoiding any time conflicts. Of course, you can also see the instructor listed as well in the instructor column. The most important column in this page is the CRN column. So remember, CRNs are the numbers that are vital that you need to know ahead of time to register for your classes in a timely manner. So under the column CRN, surprise, there's the CRN that you want to know. So in this case, 2511 is the CRN for IH 0951 Section 4. And if that's the course that you're hoping to sign up for, you want to know 2511 before registration day.
All right, so when you actually get to registration day, you'll have all your CRNs prepared because you planned your schedule out, and it's a little bit easier than it may have been for you the first time you registered. Here we go. You'll go into that Add or Drop Classes screen, you'll be prompted with a question. It's basically, will you pay tuition for this coming semester? You will click yes, because you will pay. And then it will actually put you back at that Add or Drop Classes screen again. So you have to click that one more time, come back in, and then you'll get to put in your PIN. Every honors student has the same PIN, 999999. Once you hit submit there, you'll be taken to this screen, which is the actual Add or Drop Classes screen. At the bottom of the screen there, you'll see a bunch of little boxes that says CRNs above it. And here's where you'd put in all those CRNs you have. Type them in, hit submit changes, and voila, you will hopefully have a schedule.
So, just from our experience, we know that there's a few other hiccups or obstacles students might run into that you can cut off at the pass by just knowing them in advance. The first thing is when you're looking at all the sections of the courses that you might sign up for, the CRN column is actually hyperlinked, and you can click on that to go to a page that gives you more information about the course. It gives you a course description, and it gives some other details. One important detail to keep in mind is if there's any kind of special approval required to sign up for this course. So in this case here, you can see a special approval is required, permission of advisor. That means that the student needs to be put in the course by an academic advisor. So they would not be able to sign up for it on their own. So when you're picking out your courses ahead of time, just double check and make sure there's no special approval or any other obstacles that would keep you from signing up for it yourself. There's a lot of CST, STEM majors out there, a lot of scientists, so we know that there is often some confusion as to what courses to sign up for within each department. And it's because each department does their lecture and lab a little differently. So you'll see at the top one, biology, the lecture and lab are combined under one course and combined under one CRN for 4 credits. So you see here, Bio 1911, you would just sign up for one course to get both the lecture and the lab. For chemistry, it's a little different. The lecture and recitation are 3 credits, and then there's a separate lab that's 1 credit that you have to sign up for. So you need 2 different CRNs to sign up for the lecture and lab in chemistry. Lastly, physics, the lecture and recitation are combined under one 4-credit class, but you need to sign up for a separate 0-credit lab, okay? So just to sum up, biology, honors bio, you need 1 CRN. For chemistry, you need 2 CRNs, and for physics, you need 2 CRNs. When you are signing up for your science and math courses, we recommend you type in the CRNs in that Add or Drop Classes screen in the following order. Start with the math course if you're taking a math course, Calc 1, 2, or 3. Then sign up for your lecture of the science that you're taking. So in this instance, it might be chemistry. So you would sign up for the Gen Chem lecture and then the lab after that. That order is useful just because in some cases there are programmed pre- and co-requisites that if you try to sign up for them out of order, it may block you or give you an obstacle. So this is just a helpful way to ensure that that problem does not arise. That's it. That's all the quick tips we have. We know that this video was pretty quick, and there might be some questions. So like I said, feel free to email me or any of the other advisors with any other questions you have about registration.